guys, you are watching a little bit computer. Today we are going to make a scenery. So first of all, we have to click on the pen tool. After clicking the pen tool, our related brushes will be open. You have to simply click on it. And here you can pick the any color. So now we are going to pick black color. So now we are going to make the scenery. So let's see how it can make. Make like that, one single line, then you have to simply, this is the mountain, and second one, and third one, this is the mountain. Now we are going to make the sun. Now we are going to make a tree. How it can make? Let's see. This is the tree. Now we are going to use the eraser. We have to erase a small part. Now we are going to use the fill box. Now we are going to make the color. So how it can be work? Let's see. You have to simply click on the color palette. Whatever color you wish to apply, simply click on it. Now we are going to apply this color. Now sun color is orange. So apply orange, and tree color. This is the tree. Now we can make it. So this is our scenery.